Guitarists searching for a programmable guitar pedal may be interested in this awesome DIY build in the form of the pedalSHIELD MEGA, which offers an Arduino-powered programmable guitar pedal from ElectroSmash. The pedalSHIELD MEGA programmable guitar pedal is powered by an Arduino MEGA 2560 and MEGA ADK and comes equipped with a 1.3 inches OLED screen, a true bypass foot switch, 2 programmable push buttons and an analog input/output stage. Users can program their own effects in C/C++ with the standard Arduino IDE tool and get inspired using the library of effects posted on the pedalSHIELD MEGA online forum. The Shield is simply connected to the Arduino MEGA and offers 3 components. Analog input stage: the weak guitar signal is amplified and filtered, making it ready for the Arduino MEGA ADC, analog to digital converter. Arduino MEGA board: it takes the digitalized waveform from the ADC and does all the DSP, digital signal processing, creating effects, distortion, fuzz, volume, delay, etc. The output stage: once the new affected waveform is created inside the Arduino MEGA board, this last stage takes it and using 2 combined PWMs generates the analog output signal.